1, 2. That is 2 number of rows are there. So here the number of squares is equal to first column square, that is 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So the number of squares here is 5. And how will you find the number of rectangles? So to find the number of rectangles, 1 cube plus 2 cube, that is number these columns like 1, 2, 3, here also 1, 2, 3. Then to find the number of squares, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square